Hello guys, we are at the beach bar. Dun, 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 dun. And yeah, look at this. We can do them backwards. Amory, do them backwards. We will show the crowd. Do them backwards. Do them backwards.
Ready, guys? You have a camera?
Yeah, we're making a YouTube video. Look at that. Look at that. Easy. Easy.
There's a zip line.
Nope.
That doesn't work. It's broken. Troy, can you bring it back for me? Okay.
I'll film.
Can I do some? All right, film me.
Look at this. Whoosh.
There's this big slide. I'm gonna go on that in a minute. And these stepping stairs. They go up and up and turn. And so let's go. So we're gonna go down that slide. Yeah, let's go down that slide. So
We have viewers that want to be in the video. Hello, hello.
So
I don't even know these people. They just want to be in a video.
yeah, so I always wanted to be a YouTuber, but I just never been. Like, I only have all I have is
not steady.
Yeah. I mean, all I have is all I have is headphones.
Oh, that's not a secret tunnel.
I mean, all I have is headphones.
What
do you mean this
is a secret tunnel? Yeah, I don't know. This is the YouTube camera. You said it was a secret tunnel.
Wait, what's the channel name?
The Adventures of Troy. So, yeah, that's just kind of the park.
Wait,
The crew.
the little crew. Guys, here's the little crew. Crew. So, Troy, is there anything else you want to show them?
My hands are so slippery since I did so much. But I did do it.
Record me. He did it, kind of.
He just wants to be on YouTube.
It's okay, I understand. Lots of people want to.
Ryan, he said that was his dream.
Yeah.
Watch this, I'm gonna one up both of you. What does one up mean?
Dude, Liam, how do you do that?
Yeah, I could do it. My hands are just so
Okay,
slippery.
Troy, now film me do it.
Okay.
Guys, record me while falling in the cannonball. Guys, I'm going to do a fall or a cannonball. This is how I do it. Alright, come on, motion ball in. Tumble. Okay, just say ooh. Ready, Troy? I've never been on YouTube.
Yeah, this guy really likes you.
Yeah, because I watch it about every day. Do you like a Preston?
Yeah.
He's a good YouTuber.
Same.
My dad's from Steve the Drip. Troy, you're a crazy YouTuber.
Ew, this looks nice.
You have a gaming channel? Troy, you're a crazy.
No, but I have games on the same
Troy,
channel.
you're a crazy YouTuber just like Preston.
Nice.
Very cool. So sleepy. They went over to the beach to put their toes in the cold water. So we're waiting here.
Alright guys, so we are back and Troy's gonna walk in the water, but I guess my shoes are waterproof. Who cares? So who cares? So who cares?
Not too bad.
Yeah, it's not too cold.
No, it's not bad at all.
Yeah. It's warm. Warm. I might be cold. I am.
Here.
I'm cold.
Why don't you take the
Yeah. Nice. Nice.
There you go. Enjoy.
Nice. Look at that. Wow. Well, how has it been exploring? Come on, Joe's with us. Look at that. You guys going down on it. Oh, I'm wet. I'm wet.
Troy's out there braving the elements. Just getting rained on now with all these cannons.
He's funny.
What do you think? What do you think? No, is it cold?
No, it hurt me.
Take this out there one time.
It hurt because it's so far down.
Oh, so is it bursting down on you?
Yes. Bye-bye.